The Ganiza Smart Toaster 2-Slice touchscreen introduces a modern approach to a classic kitchen essential. At first glance, its sleek stainless steel body immediately stands out. It looks durable and premium. More importantly, it avoids the common issue of plastic odors during heating. The design feels solid and built for daily use. However, the real highlight is the touchscreen interface. Instead of traditional knobs, this toaster offers a simple tap control system. It features 6 browning levels, allowing users to choose their perfect toast shade with precision. In addition, the built-in digital countdown timer removes all guesswork. The user always knows exactly when the toast will be ready. This creates a smoother and more predictable breakfast routine. Performance is where this toaster truly shines. Powered by a 925-watt heating system, it promises up to 50% faster toasting, and it delivers on that claim. The heating elements are upgraded to provide even browning on both sides. This ensures that every slice comes out consistent and well toasted. Furthermore, the deep and wide slots make a big difference. They allow full slices of bread to toast evenly from edge to edge. This is especially useful for thicker items like bagels or artisan bread. As a result, users do not need to flip or adjust their bread mid-cycle. Everything works efficiently in one go. Another strong advantage is customization. The toaster includes a plus or minus 10-second fine-tune feature. This allows small adjustments for those who want their toast just right. In addition, it offers 4 extra functions: defrost, reheat, frozen waffle, and cancel. These modes add flexibility to everyday use. For example, frozen bread can go straight into the toaster without waiting. Similarly, reheating toast does not require restarting a full cycle. Each function is accessible with a simple tap, making the experience intuitive. This level of control makes the toaster suitable for different preferences and busy routines. Finally, the toaster is designed with convenience and safety in mind. It includes a removable crumb tray for easy cleaning. This helps maintain hygiene and keeps the appliance running efficiently. There is also a built-in cord wrap, which reduces clutter on the countertop. Storage becomes much easier, especially in small kitchens. Moreover, the anti-jam safety feature adds peace of mind. If bread gets stuck, the toaster automatically stops heating to prevent overheating. The easy press lever and auto pop-up function also improve usability. In the end, this toaster combines smart features, strong performance, and practical design. It is a reliable choice for anyone looking to upgrade their daily breakfast routine.